lake living in this sought-after community at Lakeshore Village. This townhouse offers 3 living levels. Open floor plan on the main from living room to dining room. The kitchen is the center of this entertainment-style home, well appointed with granite countertops, breakfast bar, stainless appliances and solid wood cabinetry. Relax and enjoy the cozy den with a gas fireplace and private balcony. The main floor offers solid hardwood flooring and a sliding door out onto the 25 by 10 deck with views to the waterfront. 3 bedrooms on the second level. Spacious master bedroom with a vaulted ceiling, wall-to-wall carpet and walk-in closets. The master bath boasting soaking jet tub, double vanity sink with granite countertops and a double walk-in glass shower surround. An additional full bath and washer/dryer complete the second level. Looking for a private living area for overnight guests or just a fun game room/family room located in the lower level? This bonus room offers a casual bar, full bath and an open space for your unique criteria. A separate deck is located off the family room with lake views. The complex offers landscaped sidewalks, private docks, tennis and a clubhouse with a fitness center, showers, pool, full kitchen and a leisure room that you can rent for special events. A walkabout community with a 3-mile loop. Views of the Sunday morning sailboats from your dock. 1 mile to NJ Transit Station and 1 hour to NYC. This is the best of luxury living.